What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just a little quick ride here out to the store. Gonna catch some sun here before it actually sets. About a couple hours away from actually setting, so but we ain't gonna be riding for the couple hours though. We're gonna go right to the store and right back home. But like I said, it's always a good time to ride. I'm a little chilled though. I underestimated the wind chill a little bit. My torso and chest area and stuff like that, it's warm. I've got my kind of base layers on and stuff like that, but it's my legs, man. I just wore regular jeans, not even the armored stuff, not even the thick stuff. It's just regular denim crap. And yeah, I have to say it's just a little bit cold. See what I'm wearing? That's all I'm wearing, and it's a touch cold if I'm being honest. But like I said, we're not out here running enduros. We're just gonna be out here getting there and getting back, and then we'll go from there. As you know, I spend most of my days at home, sitting inside the house, so every little bit that I can sneak to get out and ride the bike when the weather is like this and it's nice enough, I do it. I never hesitate to just jump on the bike and get out and ride, just because, man, it's, first of all, obviously the weather is nice enough, but then it's just, I love riding this bike. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, that's why I've got as much miles as I do have on it. I just love riding it. I mean, just simple stuff like that, and it just goes. Very easy to ride, very easy to negotiate traffic, and man, what a blast it is to just ride this bike, honestly. I have not experienced a lot of bikes in my day, but like I said, coming off of the R6, man, that R6 is nowhere as fun as this thing. Just riding around town and doing errands like what I'm doing here, there's nowhere as fun as this bike is. I'm really glad that I did not get the Gen 1 or 2. Now that I understand bikes a little bit better, and now I kind of know what to look for on bikes, man, I'm really glad I didn't get the Gen 1 or 2, because then it'd be just so much headache trying to deal with like the suspension and kind of the pogo stick thingy that they say that it is. Hey Cardo, radio off. Dang, Cardo. Misunderstanding me. And it's just the simple things like that we can have misunderstandings in life, right? You just hear somebody differently and you just interpret it wrong, and then you're like, boom, I'm gonna blast the radio in your ear, but it's not even radio, it's just static, and it's just noise in your ear, and it irritates people, all from what? A misunderstanding or of communication, right? Anyways, yeah, I'm glad I didn't get the Gen 1 or 2s. I'm sure they were great hooligan bikes just because of the motor that's on there, but I just don't think that they would have been as refined as this Gen 3. And yeah, man, I'm glad I got it. So much fun to ride around, even to the store. As quickly as I'm going to the store here, Even stuff like this, it's just a blast to ride. It's a joy to ride. If I could ever get some green lights. Come on, man, get me to 1,000 subs. Get me to 1,000 subs so I can get an exhaust on this bike, fam. My bruh needs an exhaust on this bike bad. Sheesh. I'm trying not to heavy breathe on y'all. Oh man. But sometimes I might not be able to help it. Cause a boy is a heavy set boy. Hey, but I'm gonna try to change that in the coming year though. I'm gonna try to change that in the coming year. Oh snap. That is trash. I'm not even gonna take off my helmet because I'm gonna be in and out so fast. I ain't gonna lie. So y'all not gonna see me turn anything off. I ain't forget that. We're just gonna unbuckle, and we're gonna stuff the gloves in the pockets because that's why they made pockets. Let's go. Let's get in there, get in and get out and get home. It's been a minute since I rolled up in here with a helmet on. People be looking at me weird still. Since when did these get so stinking expensive? Well, it is what it is. Indeed, indeed. Alright, it is what it is. We have to deal with it. That is it. We are done. That's all we needed. Because you know, clothes got to be cleaned, right? We got to have clean clothes at the house now. Can't be having nothing dirty at the house. No sir. We have got to get the clothes cleaned. And when you have as many kids as I do, fam, I'll tell you what. Sheesh. And now the trick is to get this in here and on my back without hurting my back. Hey, it's not too bad. I know people probably like, I know some of y'all probably like, man, Anthony, why don't you just go put bags on that thing, bro? Cause I don't want to, man. It's as simple as that. I just don't want to. Cause I'm so tired. I'll be so tired of like unracking it and stuff like that. I know they make it easy these days, man, but still, I just don't feel like it. I ain't gonna lie. I want the bike to stay as minimal as possible because on any given day, I could just drop and be like, alright, I'm gonna go to the mountains. I don't need the extra weight, I don't need the extra baggage or nothing like that. And then I don't want to spend, I don't know, I'm guessing anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes undoing stuff. You know what I mean? Nah, I just want to hop on and go. So that's reason why I do what I do. And we're gonna get back to the house, because it's like I said, that's how we do. We just come here, we do this, and it's already good. It is already so good. What you doing, fam? What you doing, fam? Pick something. Sheesh. I love this road, but there's so many cops on this road, as you guys saw earlier. Sheesh. And straws people like that. Oh, I love it, but dang. This road is loads of fun, but there's always a cop or two sitting over here somewhere trying to stop my fun. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. They're doing what they gotta do to keep the road safe, and I appreciate them very, very much. I am totally unzipped. Bro, this is what happens when you get in the daggum rush, man. I was like, why is it so freaking cold? Entire jacket unzipped. Entire jacket just unzipped. Golly. Oh, I was wondering why it was so cold, man. I was like, why is my chest just frozen right now? And sheesh, that is terrible. That's pretty much gonna do it for today's little quick hitter. Just real quick, coming out, enjoying the ride, and wanting you guys to come along with me. Even though we are in some super slow traffic, I appreciate you guys coming along. Appreciate you guys watching to the end of this little video. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and share, and go ahead and like this stuff. That way I can continue to bring you guys all this good stuff that you guys want. See you guys on the next one. Peace.